It's your girl, NueNew The Hair Diva, back with another video. I told you I was on a video blitz, and I am trying to get all these videos done so that I can take some time and relax. This is a birthday item from my baby girl, but it is also going to be a part of my one brand series, and this is going to be about Aveda products. This is where baby girl is working, and for my B-Day she decided to gift me some items from her job. And I have to be honest with you, she was able to get a discount. The item that is in here, it is quite expensive. Something that I probably, on my own, not knowing full what it can do, would have purchased myself. But I am glad that she thought enough of me to pick it up. And I'm going to try to give you all the information that I have researched on this product before even using it. So this is the little gift bag that it comes in from Aveda. Aveda is also a school if you are looking to becoming a licensed cosmetologist. They create their own hair care, skin care, and makeup products. Definitely look in the description bar below if you want a link to the products that I am showing you. So let me turn the bag up and to the side and pull out what I am going to talk to you about. Okay, so this is the product right here. This is the Aveda Botanical Repair Intense Strengthening Hair Mask. It comes in two formulas. You have the rich formula, and then you have fine. I decided to pick up the rich due to the fact that I have more coarse hair and I color my hair. This is a 15-ounce jar. It does come in a smaller size, but this one is 15 ounces, 450 milliliters. It is for all hair types and textures, and the way you're supposed to use this is to apply it to your hair, to damp hair, after shampooing for 2 to 5 minutes. However, I did talk to my daughter as well as another associate there. I can use this as a hair mask under the dryer or overnight. So that was one of the things I wanted to make sure that I could do. Alright, so before I go any further, let me show you what the product looks like. It is just a white cream. There are no type of other botanicals in here. However, this is to help replace broken bonds from coloring your hair as well as bleaching your hair. It smells very botanical, and it does have avocado oils, sunflower oils, and lactic acid. As I looked for the ingredients, there are more ingredients in here than what I have specifically mentioned, but it was a lot of big words that, yes, I can say. However, I will leave information down below so that you can look at it for yourself to see if it is something that you want to try. It is pretty thick, and it does have a aroma to it. So I looked it up, and it is certified organic ylang-ylang, I think that's how you say it, rose, marjoram, pure flower, and plant extracts. The container itself is recyclable, and it does have a shelf life, there it is, of 24 months. That made me very happy, especially since it has organic properties. So without being wasteful, I'm just going to show you that it is pretty thick. I can't even quite pull it up onto my finger, and it feels very, very soft. It emulsifies very nicely in my hands, and it does smell botanical. It doesn't smell like something that is stinky, and forgive me for using that for lack of a better word, but you can tell that it does have organic ingredients in there. Like I said, I picked a thick formula because I color my hair, and I also learned that sometimes we shouldn't use color shampoos and conditioners. Why? Because it will help to remove the color that you are trying to hold on to, especially if you're someone who likes vivid reds, pinks, blues, pastel colors. Sometimes it's not good to use those type of products. So this is the Aveda Botanical Repair Intense Strengthening Hair Mask. I will go ahead and let you know that this particular size is $106. Yes, don't spit out your tea or your coffee. Don't pass out on the floor. The price I told you is exactly the truth. $106. The smaller container is $52. Alright, so let's put that here because I do have some other items. Because she made a purchase, and like I said, she was able to get this on a discount, so I gave you the retail price, not technically the price that she paid. I was also able to get a few goodies. So some of the samples that was given to me was this Botanical Repair Strengthening Conditioner. And this is what it looks like. I don't believe I have tried this before. However, I have used Aveda products probably 15, 16 years ago. And I do know that they work, except for this is a brand new line. This other sample I got is Hand Relief Moisturizing Cream with Calming Shapura Aroma. And this actually came in 3 other scents. I hope you guys can see that. I'm trying to bring it close because of the lighting. You had some with chamomile, rose, green tea, but the sample that they give you has, I believe it says Shapura fragrance. Okay, then they gave me these samples here, and they gave me 3 each due to the fact that my hair is quite long. Let me move that out the way. I will put that, well, I can't even lay it this way for you guys to see it, but I will just put that right there. These are a primer. I asked about a scalp primer that will allow me to clean my scalp without removing my hair color. So I haven't looked these up, but these are the primers here, and they gave me 3 of them. And then we have some shampoo. So I will put information below, basically links to where you can go look at these items and see if it's something that you want to try. I'm basically just doing kind of a first impressions review without actually using it. Last but not least, I was able to get these Aveda styling clips. Came in this box like this. There were 4 in there, and I thought these clips were beautiful. Due to the fact of spending $50 or more, this was a gift that they gave you, and believe me, they needed to. So this is what the clip looks like. It is a claw clip mechanism. Let's see, there's the mechanism right there. You have some teeth in here as well on the top and the bottom. It is also the type of clip where you can use the bottom half to do partings on the hair and then just clip it up and out of the way. And like I said, there was 4 in the box. Well, maybe there's more. Let me just check and see. Nope, we got 4 in the box. It just looks like more. And they seem pretty sturdy. I'm going to have to see just how good they work. I hope they don't break on this hair that I have. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. Mommy loves you too, baby girl, for thinking of me for my birthday. And for, you know, getting me such a expensive hair product. I think the most I've ever spent was probably about $54 on a conditioning hair mask, and I didn't like it. So I really hope that this does my hair good. I will try to do a video of me using it and letting you guys know what I think. If that is something that you want to see, leave me that in the comment section. I'm trying to get my next set of videos that you guys want to see recorded ASAP. Alright, so with that being said, this is probably the last hair care product, but we still have 3 more videos to record. To all be blessed, wear your makeup, save your money, try out Aveda products, and let me know how you think of them. And NueNew will see you in a few days with the next video. Bye.
Girl, you can get it all day. Slow it down, let me get a replay. The way you just put it on me, on me. Run it back, run it back, run it back for me. Whoa. I wanna put you on my team. Run it back for me. Whoa. Double O. You the